Welcome back to MS Tech. Today we'll be taking a look at a pair of IEM earbuds, the KZ ZSTs. Now this is my first ever pair of IEM earbuds, and so this review is going to be more so for the first time IEM user. Let's take a look and see. Starting off with the unboxing. I was pleasantly surprised at the unboxing. It came in a pretty small box. Once you open the tab, you find the earbuds themselves, a braided cable, and also some replaceable silicone ear tips just in case you want to switch it out. The unboxing, despite being small, felt pretty darn premium. Now moving on to my first impressions. I can say that taking these earbuds out of the box, it was really nice. I really liked the feel of them even though the design is all plastic and the build's plastic. I liked how it was clear plastic so you can see what's happening on the inside and you can see the dual drivers. Another thing which isn't really a big issue, which I personally liked a lot, was the colors. You have the option of having carbon fiber black or a blue and purple mix like I do here. And personally, not seeing any type of earbuds on the market or in retail stores that have these colors, this was a nice touch, which I personally enjoy a lot. Another thing I really like is the braided cable. I know it's nothing special, but I have never seen a cable like this before. But having this as my first time, I really am pleasantly surprised with it. Now when it came to the sound quality of these earbuds, I was really surprised as to how clear they sounded. Now myself, I listen to rap and country predominantly, and when it came to listening to rap music, the bass was definitely there. Even at high volumes, it packs a punch. And that's definitely because of the dynamic driver that it has, which delivers all the bass. As you can see here, it's pretty big. And whenever I listen to country or radio music, that's when the armature driver kicks in and makes the highs sound clearer. One thing I did note while listening to these is that sometimes when you listen at high volumes to music such as Sia, who's pretty high up there in frequency wise, it does get a bit crunchy and tingy. So that was the one issue I had, but when it came to blasting rap music or country music, it was perfectly fine. On the note of blasting music, one thing about these earbuds is that if you're playing music really loud, they do bleed a lot. Meaning if you're sitting in an office or more of a quiet workstation, anyone around you is going to be able to listen to what you're listening to. Now personally, I got these as just a regular pair of earbuds I can use every now and then to listen to high quality music and also to use for online school, because obviously everything's through Zoom nowadays. So for the aspect of just listening to casual music and using it for online school, these are a big step up from basic Apple earbuds. And speaking of school, let's take a look to see what the mic sounds like. Now here's a quick mic test of the KZ ZST earbuds. Right now, what you're hearing is exactly what the mic sounds like. It is not good at all. I guess on the bright side of things, it's coming with a mic, which is better than it not having a mic. It definitely should be a last resort. So as you can see, the microphone on these is not good at all. Overall though, for my first pair of IED earbuds, I'm very impressed. The sound quality is definitely up there compared to other headphones I've tried myself. But for my first time using these, I definitely really enjoyed them. And I'm really interested into what's to come in this community because I hope to learn more and be able to talk more about these in more detail and more specifics down the road. For $20, if you're just wanting to get into IEM, I would definitely recommend these because myself, I was very impressed with them. I like the look, I like the sound, everything about them honestly I really do enjoy. There's not one thing I can say that I don't like them. And especially with a $20 price tag, you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching. If you stuck around till the end, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. It not only helps us, but also helps the YouTube algorithm. This has been MS Tech, and as always, stay classy.